syrup, Codex syrup cup 100 ml bottle. This medicine is two combination medicine. Number 1, dexamethasone, dextromethorphan and chlorpheniramine maleate. Dextromethorphan and chlorpheniramine maleate. This is to anti-allergic, antihistaminic. So this cough syrup is to be when to be taken, then irritation in your bronchus, then you will bi-allergic or histamine release, then you can be take 10 ml when coughing irritation in the throat or itching this throat, then you will be 10 ml and my writing instruction should be followed, then can be used. Thanks.